We are very pleased to be here again at IBC 2014 to explain and to emphasize our presence into the Pro AV business. It's not just about creating amazing product, important though that is. To truly support the needs and aspiration of our partner, we believe we should also contribute by inspiring and enabling users to create passionate, creative and innovative work. Work which will fascinate, inform and entertain audiences. And so in turn, contribute constructively to the advancement and growth of our industry. We are determined to contribute to our partner future business. This gives you an insight and set the context for our team at IBC this year, which is see the future of your business. We have got a number of exciting announcements and guest speakers for you this evening, and I would like first to welcome the Panasonic Solution Company Europe Managing Director, Mr. Masaki Arizono, to give us an overview of the business direction for Panasonic B2B overall. Mr. Arizono.
Okay, thank you, Andre. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arizono. I'm responsible for Panasonic System Communication Europe, which is European sales and marketing company for B2B products. Today, before entering to introduce our exciting products of broadcast Pro AV category, I'd like to introduce briefly about Panasonic overview. Okay, then, as you may know, Panasonic has struggled in the year 2011-2012 in terms of profitability due to the price erosion of consumer TV products. However, in last year, 2013, we made strong recovery for the profitability. Actually, it is recorded 890 million euro as net income yearly basis. This is thanks for mainly B2B product category profit comes to this contribution of the profit. Accordingly, our cash position, of course, is improved rapidly in the last year. Then Panasonic consolidated net sales globally is 58 billion euro around. It is last fiscal year 2013, which is consists of mainly four company. This is based on the technology base. Biggest companies, automotive and industry systems, 33% of the total turnover. This is mainly device business, device for automotive sector or device for civil manufacturer. This is the device business is mainly currently our major driver for the turnover. Second category is an eco solution company. This is relating to house or energy related, so solar panel or lighting, or even in Japan we have a house build company under this eco solution company. So 22% business come from this eco solution company. Then thirdly, this is the IBC networks, 19% of the business. This is a AV, audiovisual and IT product category. This is included for pro video broadcast business actually in here, mainly for B2B, audiovisual, IT business, IT product category. Then last category, the appliance company. This is a consumer equipment mainly, TV or white goods or air conditioner. This is 14%. Then what I want to emphasize, key point in here is 70% of the business of total Panasonic came from B2B product, B2B business. So current our position is, let me say, strong image, brand image of consumer goods, Panasonic B2C products. Utilizing this strong brand image, we are actually running B2B business driving force in Panasonic Group. So we want to commit to B2B business as currently more than 70% continuously. Also, Panasonic committing high technology company. So 3.4 billion euro is invested in globally in R&D investment. And this is actually 6.2% versus net sales. As a result, we are ranked first position in the world for the patent application in the year 2013. So PSU, our Panasonic System Communication Company Europe, is a European sales and marketing company for B2B, AV, audiovisual, and ICT, IT and communication product category. Mainly, our major turnover comes from now this computer, mobile, rugged portable PC or tablet, so-called tabbook and tabpad. This is the biggest category for us. And another biggest is the visual category, display, projector. Then another large amount comes from this security camera and broadcast category. This is a pro camera, so-called professional camera category. Then lastly, communication product category like telephone system, PBX. But we are not selling just product to the market. We are providing solution together with our product, core products, together with third-party hardware, software, accessories, or also services, maintenance service or recurring services, sometimes cloud service as well. Then, depend on the project, we are providing also engineering and also project management. So we are providing solution to the customer. However, we are aware we cannot provide by ourselves all the solution 100%. So we are working several partner, strategic partner or alliance on the project basis. So we can today introduce several partnership, strategic partner to you in case of broadcast and Pro AV application. So I hope you can excite through this our product introduction and also this strategy partnership introduction later on. Okay, all right. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. So I pass to Andre.
Thank you very much, Mr. Arezano. And now I would like to introduce Mr. Miyagi, Panasonic Worldwide Director for Professional Audiovisual Video Business Unit, and ask him to give us a closer look of the Panasonic AV Strategy 2014. Mr. Miyagi, please.
Thank you, Andre. My name is Kunihiko Miyagi. I'm in charge of Director of Professional Business BU, Imaging Network Business. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for taking the time to attend Panasonic IBC 2014 press briefing. I'm very happy to have the opportunity to speak all you today. Today, I will explain about our strategy, key products, and partnerships for us at this year's IBC. We have been involved in the professional video industry for over 30 years, and in that time, it has been obviously changed a lot. I feel like over the last few years, the changes have been coming faster and faster. As I think you already know, the two big movements in our industry at the moment are the move from HD to 4K and beyond, and increasing use of connectivity of IP networks. At Panasonic, we believe it is our mission to always contribute to our customers' business based on the current need on the market. Today, I would like to introduce just some of the ways in which are improving workflows across the industry. Video content is, of course, used in a wide variety of applications, from news to movies, live sports, and music, to applications such as distance learning and wedding videography. Also, because of technological advance in 4K, 8K, and network connectivity, we are able to provide solutions to increasingly diverse market segments. So what value are we creating for our user? In the case of movies, value is created by expressing rich emotion on the screen. Our brand new Baricam 35 create value for its users by producing emotional images. For sports, value is created by providing clear and realistic images. We call this presence, and we are helping to increase broadcasters' ability to provide presence with the introduction of our Baricam HS speed cameras. In the news world, we created value by getting images of high quality to viewers with as much speed as possible. We help broadcasters to do that by providing a true next generation ENG workflow. We also believe that there is additional new value from the creation of data beyond what can be seen by the naked eye. At IBC this year, we are pleased to announce a partnership that will allow us to do just that in the sports market. Panasonic both provide increased user in the increasingly diverse video world. We will provide new products and solutions to increase the value of the contents produced by our customers and improve the success of their business. In order to achieve this, we have joined hands with some strong partners from a range of industries. So, now I would like to introduce the first of our collaboration partners, who is helping us bring the value of emotion to the movie industry. Michael Shiori has been leading the adoption of new technology and the creation of new workflow in Hollywood. We have collaborated with Michael since he adopted file-based workflows back when we were first launching P2. This time, Michael has used the Baricam 35 to create content that show off what we are most proud of the Baricam look. Michael has also agreed to continue to work us in the future to create content and spread the message of the strengths of the Baricam to Hollywood. I'd like to now welcome Mr. Michael Shiori, CEO of Light Iron, to introduce his experience with Baricam. Welcome to Michael.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Again, my name is Michael Cioni. I'm actually really pleased to be here. What I actually do is typically in the post-production market. And it's strange to think, why would someone in post-production be affiliated with a camera? But if you've looked out on that show floor and you really begin to realize what's happening in our industry, and that is images, whether it's a camera or a display device or some sort of transmission tool, is not just about the pictures, it's about the workflow. There are people that manufacture really good pictures and people that have really good workflow. And the key to successful products, I believe, is when those two are merged together. And the best products are the ones that have an equal support of workflow and with high quality images. And that's not easy to achieve. What I got to shoot with the VariCam 35, what you'll see in a moment is an image I put together. For those that are technologists, you'll realize that all of these are camera tests. They just are pretty to look at instead of just a picture of a color chart. But if you're a moviegoer or you like television shows, you can also see that this camera produces what is necessary in order to tell very high quality stories. And so I really feel that when you see these pictures, you'll see that you're working with a camera that produces good pictures. That's a given. That's something Panasonic has actually done before. There's a lot of companies that do that as well. But what I want you to look a little deeper, and that is of this camera. This camera actually shoots exceptionally well in the dark, and you'll see the cityscapes of my hometown, Los Angeles, brightly lit by just the lights of the city in a whole new way. And you'll also notice that the images that we captured in 4K are very, very small. You'll see really big, large-scale pictures, but we are able to download these on laptops over USB 3. And that's the part of workflow that is critical for a 4K future. Mr. Miyagi talked about how 4K is important to the future of broadcast and cinema and consumers. That is absolutely true. And that is why I personally believe we cannot just have an uncompressed 4K future. As great as uncompressed is, if we focus exclusively on that, we will miss the opportunity to capture, backup, archive, and distribute it efficiently to the masses. And so we have to find proper compromises in codecs so that we can capture and distribute. And I believe the VariCam demonstrates that very well with the new AVC Ultra codec packaging. Thank you very much.
For now, let us watch some beautiful VariCam 35 footage that Michael has brought with him. Please. Thank you, Michael. Very, very good. I'm very experienced. Secondly, I would like to introduce a collaboration with partner who is helping to improve how we provide the value of speed to broadcasters. Working with ITN in the UK, we have been testing new workflow with our ENG product since August. We are able to rapidly send footage from the field to the broadcaster and have so far received very high praise from ITN. We welcome broadcasters from all over the world to test the workflow used by ITN and consider using our PX5000, 270, and 800 cameras in a similar fashion. The relationship is only 1 month old, and I would like to ask Mr. Bevan Gibson, CTO of ITN, to give IBC his thought on the workflow so far. Please, Bevan. Thanks so much.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Bevan Gibson. I'm the CTO of ITN in the UK, and thank you very much for the introduction. As was mentioned, we've been trialling with the 5000 series cameras, the Panasonic connected or Panasonic network services, our solution out of that, so that we can deliver content from the field to our head office, our facility in Gray's Inn Road, and our newsroom and our news teams can get access to that footage very, very soon after it's been shot. So this is a major development from how we've usually operated as a news gathering service. We provide news to ITN in the UK, to ITV in the UK, and to Channel 4. So the ability for, be it at a press conference or a major news event or breaking news event around the world, to have your camera crews instantly sending content back without the need for a satellite truck or other forms of connectivity is an amazing advancement. We're very excited to be working with Panasonic to be able to do this and help them develop this product before it gets widely released to the marketplace. And the early experiences, it's only been a month or two that we've been playing with this, is very, very exciting for us, and our newsroom are very keen to understand how this will move forward and benefits that this will bring to our business, because delivering this content to our non-linear platforms, to getting it to all parts of our operation faster than we've ever been able to before is going to be a revolution, and it's something that we hope to continue to work with, and we're very excited that we're working with Panasonic to do this. So once again, I'm sure there'll be more on this in the future, but thank you very much.
Next, to one of the most interesting display we have this year, I would like to introduce a partner who is helping us to bring value by providing data beyond what can be seen by the naked eye. In our booth, we are displaying a solution for sports analysis that brings together our video technology and the analytics industry experience of SAP. We will now hear from Mr. Fadi Noam, the Senior Vice President for Sports and Entertainment at SAP. Please. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for having me here. My name is Fadi Naoum. I am responsible for the development of sport entertainment. SAP has announced 1.5 years ago the 25th industry, the sport entertainment. What is SAP doing in the sport entertainment? As you have seen in the video, we are also focusing on different sport types. We have different sports, and we're focusing also on big data. Focusing on big data turns the big data to smart data. I would like to give you a short overview what is SAP in the sport entertainment, and talk also about the player performance sport and what we're doing with the team and player. SAP has two streams. One stream focuses on the fans, fan engagement, all around the fans, ticketing, sales, merchandising, the business process, and this all is running on HANA. And also SAP focusing on the sports suite, team performance, team information, providing the coach with details about the player and their performance. SAP has built what we call as SAP Player Portal, building on HANA all the information about the player, providing the coach, providing the team of the coach, information about the player, information, their distance, what they run, their sprint test, injuries, medical treatment, their development is focused also on youth development, not only on the professional. As you can see, there is different tiles here, and this is where it gives flexibility to the team based on the team strategy, based on the team development. They can have different tiles. They have their own tiles. They can have own information. For example, injuries, the med, they can log on in the system and they can enter the injuries of the player. They can enter the medical treatment, the coach, the management. They have a quick overview. What if the player injured, if the player can play. So what is SAP actually doing with Panasonic? We've been now working with the German national team. We provided the German national team during the World Cup software, which called Match Insight. Before the World Cup started, we provided this software in Campo Bahia, and they start using it for analysis for the World Cup. The Match Insight collect all the massive data, and turns this mass data into actually smart data. It makes easy to use. It's simple for the player. The player, they can use it on their own. They can select the player. They look at the distance the player. They can compare the one player with the other player. They see also information. They select if they want to see the shadow of the different player. So this is what SAP have done. We brought all the mass data and we turned it to smart data. This is technology we also use for training with the sensor chip technology. Now SAP started a new co-innovation initiative with Panasonic. Actually, it's a very good alternative to the sensor chip, because sensor chips, there is regulation. You cannot use it during match. So you are, according to the FIFA, you are not allowed to use any devices. With the co-innovation with Panasonic, we're working together to collect all the data with the cameras from Panasonic, collect the data. You collect like 30 positions per second for each player. As you can imagine, with the match, you have a huge data. With SAP real-time data on HANA, we have this information in real time where the coach, player can look at the information and do analysis. So this is to give you an idea what SAP doing together with Panasonic. We are really very proud to develop this software and deliver, because we see here a huge opportunity to give the team, not only during the training, the possibility to do the analysis, also during the match. Because nowadays, during the training, teams are using different technology. In the match, they have different technology and they cannot compare together. And here we have the possibility, they're using all same information and they compare training and real match. Thank you very much. As my colleague said, we have the booth there and we can give you a real demo on the solution. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Fadi. On top of those speakers we introduced today, partners such as LiveU are supporting us to streamline our workflow at the booth. Panasonic will continue to work hard to create great products that provide ever-increasing user value. I hope that you will all enjoy exploring the new values on display in the Panasonic booth at IBC 2014. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Mr. Miyagi, Mr. Chioni, Mr. Gibson, and Mr. Naum. Just to let you know that press pack featuring information on the Vericam and our collaboration with SAP, LiveU, and ITN, and are available from the PR stand on the way out. Historically, we as Broadcast and Pro AV Europe have been largely driven by ENG, sport, and production business. This is the core business we are working on since years now. AVC Intra, our core codec, has been hugely successful in extending the quality range available for users. And our mission with AVC Ultra has been to extend that quality range even further. But we go beyond broadcast business. We are not just sticking on the broadcast business. We have a track of successful projects in other markets such as corporate, education, institutions, and production. With our system solution product, including remote camera and switchers, in collaboration with our professional projectors and display divisions. These markets expect constant access, high quality, reliability, interactivity live now, on whatever platform they have to hand. That's the landscape we are all in. It's a landscape where collaboration, integration, and seamless workflow are the key to success. That's why at IBC 2014, we are presenting our views for future business. Just this year, we have been integrated our product and solutions in some of the major institutions and have been chosen for diverse productions. But what does the future hold? Let's see. I would like to introduce Rob Tarrant, who will take a closer look on some of our great new products.
Hello, my name's Rob Tarrant. I'm the Senior Product Manager here in Panasonic Europe. Over the next couple of minutes, I want to take you through some of the exciting products that we have at this year's IBC 2014. First of us is the Vericam. The wait is nearly over. The Vericams are coming. The first of which is the Vericam 35, which will be available in October, with its Super 35mm sensor providing outstanding image quality over a wide over 14 stops latitude, over a wide exposure range, and the ability to apply a variety of gamma curves such as V-log or V709. The Vericam 35 has also the ability to simultaneously record multiple codec formats, and the in-camera color grading truly speeds up the delivery of dailies to the industry. The Vericam 35 will be on sale at a price of €45,200, which includes the camera module, the recorder, the electronic viewfinder, and the shoulder pad. Alongside the Vericam 35 is the high-speed HD Vericam HS. The ability to continually record up to 240 frames per second. The Vericam HS has a 14 stops latitude and the same dual codec recording capability and in-camera grading as the Vericam 35. The Vericam HS will be on sale at €37,800, which includes the Vericam module, the camera module, the recorder, the electronic viewfinder, and the shoulder pad. We are pleased to announce that we are working with many of the leading 4K workflow companies. And these companies are committed to support of VeriCam 4K, including the VeriCam Intra 4K codec, the VeriCam RAW data, and also the in-camera color grading capabilities of the cameras. But at this year's IBC 2014, we're not only about the VeriCam. We're introducing two new products for the VeriCam. Sorry, I keep on saying VeriCam. Sorry, I do apologize. The IBC Ultra family of products. The first of which is the AJ-PX800, an IBC Ultra camera recorder with the IBC ultra speed, ultra quality, and ultra lightweight. Ultra speed in that it has the same network capabilities as the PX270 and the PX5000 to transfer content over wired, wireless, or even 4G LTE networks. Ultra quality by having a free MOS sensor and the IBC Ultra family of HD codecs included. Ultra lightweight. The PX800 is only 2.8 kilograms, the lightest free MOS free sensor shoulder mount camera on the market today. The second new product is the AJ-PG50, IBC Ultra portable recorder. The PG50 supports all of the IBC Ultra HD codecs and is 50/60 switchable and has both 3G SDI and HDMI in and out ports. Along with the IBC Ultra cameras, the PG50 has the same network capabilities and functions to FTP clips from the field back to base over public networks. The AJ-PG50 will be available in December 2014. Now I've talked about Panasonic's network functions. By harmonizing the three key technologies of video creation, IT infrastructure, and communications, this will lead to an innovative new workflow solution for our customers. Thank you very much for your time, and I would like to hand back to Andre to finish.
That's wrap up our briefing for this evening. I would like some one-to-one time with our staff. Please see the peer desk on the way out, and please do stay with us for some drinks outside. It will be very nice to enter into more details with you and explain more in details all the things Panasonic can do for the broadcast and beyond industry. IBC is a really important opportunity for us to talk with the industry, leading professionals, and to showcase our offering. We are looking forward to the next few days. Thank you very much.